Now you listen to JJ Sound System, the man like Junior Boss, Papa Black Sam, Earl 16 for the one.
Third and final round. What are we going to do? What are we going to play? It's been great. I've had lots of fun. I thoroughly enjoyed doing this. So yes, thank you very much. Please vote fairly. Don't vote for friends. Vote for tunes. And this is my last one. What a tune. Fire! Yeah, we'll take that one from the top to the very last drop. It's a JJ Sound Junior Bass selection. Run with a knife. Lord, Lord, it run with a knife. Thanks, Clemens. It's been a good laugh. Lord, Lord, it run with a knife. Listen for the piano. It's the show boys. Run with a knife. Thank you very much. I don't care who wins, I've just got to play some tunes and people listen, so that's all that matters to me. Hopefully we see you around soon once this load of old rubbish is over, we can get out spinning. Thank you.